Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So most of the members are asking how to install the SQL Server. So today's video we had to see into how to install the SQL Server. So I will share this downloads link in the description. So let's download from your end. So after opening this link, you have to see with the options: SQL Server Azure, SQL Server Edge, SQL Server on premises. In bottom are download a free specialized edition. So by default, my system I have installed as the Express edition. We just click on this one, immediately it will download as the SQL Server. So the download is happened. Similarly, so my point of this one downloaded, right? And coming back to, so once it is downloaded, you can open the this one. Okay. So if you open this, it will ask us like admin details. Just click on. So SQL Server Express Edition, it will open. So generally I will follow with the basic version. So just click on the basic and immediately it will allow us to accept the guidelines, license terms and accept. So once you accepted this one and SQL Server to install. So click on install. So next steps will follow. So this is the already in my system I have installed, right? So that is the reason I am not clicking the install. So if you click the install, it will ask this way, uh, Express Edition downloading install package. Okay. If you want, you can install. Right now I'm canceling this process. So after finishing the installation, it will ask us to download with the SSMS. Okay. You can follow the guidelines. Okay. So once SSMS downloaded, SSMS called as SQL Server Management Studio. So while going the installation process, it will ask. So once the installation of SQL Server is completed, then it will follow with the to download with SQL Server Management Studio. So that is like this one setup file. SSMS setup file will be downloaded. So similar way, you can double click on this one and you can install with the SSMS. So this one. So it is asking to again for reinstall or uninstall. So if I click repair, so if you already installed, you can click on repair. It will automatically to repair and it will download with the version. If you want uninstall, I can uninstall. So this is the process about completely with the SQL Server installation. So once you have installed SQL Server, some sample databases are available in the sample databases are available in the SQL Server portal, Microsoft portal. So sample database called as this one, Adventureworks sample database. So the same way I will share this link into the video description. You can download this data set. And if you look into the download backup files, okay, so Adventureworks database, this one. So WLTP, so this is the back file, BAK. So Adventureworks 2022 BAK, Adventureworks 2019.BAK, data warehouse files and lightweight files. So in my case, I am using this file, Adventureworks 2019.BAK file. Okay. And how to restore this back file to the SQL Server. The process also I will show. And anyway, the same guidelines also here, if you follow the steps here, this one. Okay. So this process will follow. Or else, let me allow 5 minutes. I will show you how to restore after downloading this BAK file. I will show the file. Where is that? I think I have moved the file, right? Okay. So just you can click on this link. If you click on this link, the Adventureworks 2019.bak file will be downloaded. So once it is downloaded, you can go back to SQL Server. In start, you can search with SSMS. If I search with SSMS, it will show by defaultly SQL Server Management Studio. So you can open with this one. After opening this, you can looks like this way. Or else, if you right click here, you can check with the connection and change connection also. So this way we can change with the connection also. Here in my case, I have the two connections are available. I am using with Express 01. That is the latest installation file. Okay, that's the reason I am not again installing. Okay, and click on connect. So this way we'll connect to the database. And how to load the, how to restore the Adventureworks 2019 database. If you look into the screen, databases, left side, uh, right click and click on restore database. So if you click on restore database, here, if you click on device, two options are available: source, so database, and device. So we are pulling the records from the device. So here three dots are available, the right side. So click on three dots. So it will ask as the file. So backup media type. So that is the file. So here options are available. You can choose with file, backup media, and click on add. So once it is add, it will show as after downloading your okay. So before this process, so I forgot one process. Uh, yeah. If we go back to C drive, first, sorry for the confusion. First, you have to download. Step number one, you can download with the this file, right? BAK file you can download. Once it is downloaded, then you can go to File Explorer, C drive, and Program Files. In Program Files, you can identify with Microsoft SQL Server. In this MS SQL Server, you can choose with your server name. This one. Open this one and MS SQL. In this, open the backup. So it will ask us continue something. The pop-up message will show. You can click on continue. Okay. So once it is, click on the continue from the downloads option. So you can go with downloads. So the file will be available. So select the file and drag it to the this folder, backup folder. Okay. You just drag the from downloads option to okay. You just drag the file from downloads option to here. Okay. So that is I had already dragged this Adventureworks 2019.bak file. Okay. So once the file is to be dragged here, or also you can copy and paste it. Okay. And so once you have copy and paste with the Adventureworks 2019.bak file, you can copy with the URL, the URL of this one address, right? Source, and go back to SQL Server. In SQL Server, I have told this same process, right? To restore databases. So click on databases and restore database. After then here source, so you can select with the device and click on three dots. Here you can select with file and click on add. So the same file path already you copied in the Adventureworks, right? So that path will show automatically. If you're not, you can copy and paste the path. So the file will be shown here. So once the file is shown, click on OK and click on OK again and again click on OK. So the process will be showing us successfully. So it is processing, right? So 85%, 100% top. So here it will is the file will be showing us database Adventureworks 2019 restored successfully. Okay. Just click on that. After then you can select with here Adventureworks 2019 and use Adventureworks 2019 and execute. So command completed successfully. So this way you can load the sample database. If you have any sample database from the uh, Microsoft portal, you can download and you can load this way. So this is the process of entire installation and loading the database into sample database, loading to SQL Server. Okay, and connecting the connections also. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please ping in the comment box. I will respond to the comments. Please like and subscribe. And from this, I'm creating the one playlist other than the other playlists. So this playlist will do the 100 challenges. So I'm trying to complete this in another 10 to 15 days. So once the one challenge is completed, immediately I will post the same challenge. Okay, so like this, you can expect uh, continuous series videos in this part. So after installing the SQL Server, these challenges are mainly 100 challenges we will take care in the SQL Server part. So that is from basic, intermediate, and advanced also. First, basically in basic SQL, I'll cover at around 25 scenarios. Most of the important interview scenarios only I will cover. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.